So, Valentine's season is upon us, meals out, nights out, date night. So, I'm going to show you a really simple style that you can do on yourself. It's not too technical, okay? It should take you about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Quick curl of the hair, but really rough and not essential. So, you're going to come to the front here. And I'm just going to apply just a little bit of back comb at the root, just to give that bit of lift. Same on the other side. So just pushing down at the root, letting that fall, and then just smoothing the top over, like so. Then I'm going to put a little bit of back comb at the crown. So I don't want this to be like really, like up here, but I don't want it to seem really flat on my head from the front because the style is a low style. So I'm just going to smooth this hair back, taking a section of hair, use a spray, and just, again, just coming into the root. I'm going to keep doing that. And then also coming into the sides as well. Well, I've got extensions, so this bit is a little bit tricky for me. But I'm just going to do my best to sort of fill in these gaps because you don't want the height and no width. Again, we're not going for crazy high here, just so it looks just a little bit more done. So once you've kind of just got that little bit of back comb in, we're now going to ignore this bit here and just work on this crown section. So just looking from the front, you're just going to gently grab hold of the crown area. And then you'll need a mirror where you can see the back, okay? So sometimes it's easy just to kind of set your phone up and then have a mirror, but you will need to be able to see the back. So I'm just taking hold of this section and just lightly giving it a little twist, allowing that hair to kind of come down because, like I say, it is quite a low style. And then you'll take a hair grip and you're going to go up the centre here. So you might just need a few little grips to do this. So just push it up. I'll do another one for good luck. And when you're happy with that, you can just hold on to the centre and just come in and just relax this up a little bit so it doesn't look too perfect, too done. Now we are going for a simple style here, so we don't want to do too many steps. I'm just going to take one section of hair and twist it towards the head. Like so. And it's going to just sit underneath there, and then we're going to pin that way. And then hold on to that and just start to tease that out. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Again, you're twisting towards the head. And that's going to sit underneath that one. We're going to tease this out. Always hold on with one hand, just to make sure you're not pulling out and loosening it all up too much. Now this is optional, but I'm going to just pin just a few little bits of hair up out the way because I want it to be kind of like not too done at the end. So I like that little one, so we'll leave him off. And I'm just seeing if there's one on this side. Maybe that one. We can always pin them back in after if we don't like them. I'm going to leave those up there like that. And then I might just do one more twist this side. Just see what that looks like. You don't have to do this extra one if you don't want to. So with the remainder of this hair, guys, what I want you to do is just divide it into two, and we're going to just tie a knot. Like so. And then just going to put an elastic underneath there to tie those two ends together. And before we go any further, again, you're going to pull this out, creating a nice bun shape where you haven't had to work too hard. You're just going to add some pins into this to secure. I'm just going to take the tails and just pin those up. Take these little bits down and we're going to just decide if we do like them and if we're going to leave them out or not. So I'm just going to use a little topsy tail. You could use your fingers and just pull these little curls through here and see what it looks like. So you can just come back to the front and just lift any bits that you feel that need it. Curl any bits at the front. You can have more bits down if you want, sort of coming down past the neck. But that is the end of the style and I absolutely love it, and I think you could do that in possibly 10-15 minutes, so I don't think it's too bad for date night. Let me know in the comments what you think.